Easy.
Our adventures are in full swing, and we can't wait to show you our recent footage. With the most exciting being our new catamaran. We are taking on a refitting from the inside out, and hope you watch as we restore her back to her smooth sailing best. We know this huge renovation will take a while, and because we don't want to put our monohull exploits on hold, we'll still be cruising, sailing, island hopping, and bringing you all the fun. We'll grab the saw and the bikini. You grab a seat and a beer, and join us for an exciting new year. Staring out at a very rainy day.
What are you doing today?
Today is a huge demo day, so we're demoing the galley.
Bad camera work, I know. For some reason I couldn't keep my focus. But she's right. It's a big demo day. Hey, what you doing down there?
More work than you.
I thought you were taking a break.
Yeah, this is my break. The wood supplies will be on this side and tools will be on the other side. Oh my god, it's hot today.
What's the temperature?
85 with no breeze. And very high risk of anger. Of hot anger. Whew, okay, I'm going the other side to move the tools.
Make me a ham sandwich.
That's next on my list. Now I'm organizing the tools on this side. So they will be readily available for working in the other room, and they won't be cluttering up the other room so much. We can see what the heck it is we're doing.
Sounds productive.
In the back.
Ah, I don't see any alcohol though. Where'd that go?
Yeah, it's not in me.
Good job.
The captain had installed a countertop made of pieces of PVC, which we decided wasn't as practical as he originally thought, so I disassembled it and took out what seemed like about 100 screws and moved extra building supplies and even a trolley motor that the captain had stored in the front hull of the galley. Everything had to go, including the faucet, the tubing, and the kitchen sink, but the captain already bought another one with a lot more capacity. He got a really good deal off of eBay, so we have a new, nicer one going in soon. I just finished removing everything.
Looks good.
It's cooler down here. I can get spiders in my hair.
Can't see what you're gonna cook for supper here.
Well, I have to cook on top of demo.
Yep.
Okay, I'm excited, okay? Okay, I'm gonna go back. Okay, Shelby demoed. Wow, babe, that's super. I'm glad you decided not to cut. That was a better idea, I think. Look down here. See here? That's fiberglass to the hull. And it's also got some... All right, hold on, let me get out. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Oh, it fits right here pretty good.
It fits there, yeah. So I think the old adage, communication is key, is actually correct in this circumstance. We end up taking a lot of time removing this wall or this foil on the wall and the covering, which was in hindsight a really bad idea. Cost us time, cost us extra money, and cost us potential moisture problems in the boat. I don't want to...
Your side, your problem.
I don't want to rip too much.
I don't know. I'm sure I'm taking it down.
You said take it down!
I said peel this back?
Yeah! You said that!
Why? What was my reason?
Well, we were talking about this carpet and we said we needed it to be smooth because there was going to be an 1/8 of an inch gap, and you said we'll just peel the foil part off.
Yeah, for the carpet.
You made it sound like we were peeling the whole thing. I wouldn't have peeled. I wouldn't.
No, your comment was about the carpet, and I said you can just peel it back.
No, you said peel the silver stuff, and you even talked about it next door. You said it's just this peel and stick stuff.
Now I'm saying
You can't change the plan. What is this? This foil is a moisture barrier.
yeah.
Well, should we put something over this though, before we put the other plywood down?
Paint.
Paint? Oh, okay.
I really appreciate that the captain takes time to take the dogs on a walk so everyone can be comfortable throughout the day. But I think it's time for us all to take a break and head for the reef. For us, what's going on underneath the water is one of the most important parts of our adventures, so we try to make it out to the reefs as much as the weather will allow.
It's cool. I only got the water behind you. Where's your fish?
And we picked up this book, Reef Fish, for the Caribbean, Bahamas, and South Florida, which has been really nice. It's fun to go out and snorkel and come back to the boat and find out what fish you may have seen. It has these helpful call-outs and helps you to identify the phases of the fish too.
Taking a break, messing up her hair. You said
Look how cute you are.
fever.
Getting cabin fever, waiting for
Ducking some bad weather, so we can get some more beach time in. All right, out of the cabin. Weather's looking better.
In the afternoon, the weather was going to become a bit unstable with storms flowing in and out. So after a morning of snorkeling, we decided to search for a sandbar. The wind made getting in and out of the water a little too cold, but we stayed put and just hung out together in the cockpit.
odd because the wind is blowing us from the southeast.
Yep.
And the channel is emptying for low tide and opposing the wind, so we're not pointed at the wind and we're not pointed at the current, we're balanced in between.
Long story short, every sweet little wave that rolls by knocks us around. I'm sorry, keep on with your...
No, please finish.
You were at the end, I thought. You look so patriotic today. Your blue glasses, your red shorts, your white shirt. I like it.
Thank
USA.
you. I feel
USA.
Go America.
And it's like 92, I think, and sticky. But here's the problem. The water is warm. As soon as I step out of the water, I'm so cold. So fingers crossed the wind will die down. Can't have any skin outside the water when the wind is up like this.
We had 20 knot gusts earlier today, and it's got down to 15.
And it's really rocky out there. Otherwise, we would be sailing, but it's white capping. I mean, it looks so like barely anything out there.
Yeah.
As soon as you get out there, it knocks you around like crazy.
We have a sandbar almost all the way around us.
It's really
so
uncomfortable.
It's bringing down the waves, but the wind chop is still coming through.
And there were some pretty big waves earlier.
Yeah, that was not wind chop. That's your wave report.
Okie doke.
Over now.
And just about a half hour after that, the radar started looking pretty bad, so we thought we should head for some more shelter.
I was going to sit on the front of the boat. I don't think my tush could survive that rub burn if I did.
We had just been hanging out on the sandbar the whole day, but checking the radar, knowing that storms were going to blow in and out, but we had no idea what was in store for us. And we had only been underway for about a minute when our bimini started to shred.
Everything fly off the kitchen counter, and now the cabin floor is filled with water. You're doing great. Do you need anything? Stay on the side. Okay.
As we're approaching the bridge, the waves started building. They were stacking up between the pylons. So when we just entered the opening of the bridge, it actually lifted the engine and the back rudders out of the water. So we were tilting forward with no control, and the wind spun us on our center right for the bridge pylon. So the only thing I could do is when the wave passed was to gun it and try to head back out to sea for another pass.
I think at this point our visibility was less than 100 feet.
Oh my God, I'm shaking. Just anchor, right? All right, drive by, don't try it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Don't try it. Oh, you're gonna try it, aren't you? I knew when the captain started putting the rudders down, he was going to try to drive through the pass that leads into the marina. But he got us through safe and sound.
Wow, that was, oh my gosh, you did such a good job. Baby, it was amazing. Honey, babe.
And the storm gave way to a beautiful sunset. For extended videos with deleted scenes, less and uncensored footage, please visit us at vimeo.com/sailing-and-fun. And you can also find us at patreon.com/sailing-and-fun. Thanks so much for watching.